What's up, you guys? It's your girl Mo Christine. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome and subscribe. Ready? Mo Adventures, Mo Adventures, Mo Ventures. On today's episode of Mo Ventures, we've got a special guest. Would you like to introduce yourself?
I am Zolah.
They can't hear you.
I am Zolah.
All right. Now I know you've
And
been.
my Instagram is.
They didn't hear you. Tell them your Instagram again, girl. Princess Zolah, and we are on an episode of Mo and Zoe DIY. All right. What are we doing today, Zoe?
We are doing tie-dye.
Yes, we got some, some sweatpants and some shirts that we're going to tie-dye with our kids. So let's get to it. All right, so now that we have our setup, we've got our gloves on. Zolah has on different kind of gloves because hers
Sadly broke because of $1
But yeah, anyways, we've got it down pat. Our shirts, our rubber bands. We added water to the powder that was provided in the bottles. All we have to do is shake it until it dissolves. We're gonna give it a little shake. All right, our kits came with instructions or ideas, techniques. That's what they call it, techniques. Bullseye technique, the swirl technique, the ombre technique, and the crumple technique. Oh, I kind of like that. Which one are you thinking to do?
I'm thinking to do the swirl.
Me too.
And then after, I'm going to do an ombre so I can, write something on it.
Okay, all right. So, we are going to start tie-dyeing with the swirl. Do the swirl dance. Do the swirl dance. I made it up. Do the swirl dance. Do the swirl dance. Okay. Anyways, let's get to tie-dyeing.
Yeah.
Our attempted swirl. So now all we gotta do is put our color on our shirts. You ready, Zoe?
Yep.
Let's do this. All right, so Zolah, she was a little messy. So now that she's done, now we can calmly, peacefully, and very cleanly do another one. Hopefully this looks good. Alright, now that we got some tie-dyeing done, we're also going to do some bleaching. So I got this old shirt, some sweatpants, and we got some items for Zola. I'm going to do it because the bleach part, I don't know if she's able to handle that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crumple the shirt up. Now I saw this technique on YouTube and I am hoping for the best. So we're going to crumple it up. Get the bleach, spray different parts of it. Oh my gosh, it's changing already! Holy! Careful not to get this on any of the clothes that you're wearing that you don't want to get bleached. Now that we got this side done, we're gonna have to flip it to make sure we get the back so it matches. Ooh, I like it. You get the sleeve a little bit. All right, so we're gonna let this sit and then we're gonna continue with our other items. I'm gonna speed through all of it. Let's get to bleaching. What the hell am I doing?
He has a new bike now.
I hope these turn out cute. Look who decided to join us. Little Miss Zoe. What is this? What is this?
Oh, looks like somebody pooped everywhere on your pants.
I'm not feeling any of this. I don't get it. I don't get it.
So let's just wiggling over the bleach.
What am I doing? Okay, I don't even know what I was doing with the other one. So I had to regroup, get some elastics, and for the last pair, I'm going to try to swirl it, put some elastic bands, and then spray the bleach on it. Wish me luck. Alright, so there you have it. Now we can rinse it with cold water and then we're going to put it in the machine by itself or with the bunch that's been bleached, not with other clothes, and then dry it and see how it comes out. So stay tuned and I'll show you the results. Here we have it, you guys, our tie-dye creations. We have it all here. What do you think about them, Zoe, so far?
I think they look pretty good.
Alright, let's go! today's episode of Mo DIY featuring Miss Zoe. Do not forget to like, comment, and what?
And follow my Instagram, Princess Zolah.
And subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Oh.
Catch you on the next one. Mo DIY. Mo DIY. Mo DIY. That's it, folks. Want some Mo? Click subscribe below.